The ASUS ROG Phone 8 is the latest iteration in ASUS's line of gaming smartphones, continuing to push the boundaries of mobile gaming technology. Designed for the hardcore gamer, the ROG Phone 8 builds on the strengths of its predecessors while introducing several key enhancements that solidify its place at the top of the gaming smartphone market. At the heart of the ROG Phone 8 is the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which ensures lightning-fast performance and efficient multitasking. Coupled with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this device can handle the most demanding games and applications without breaking a sweat. The phone also features a substantial 6,000 mAh battery, split into two 3,000 mAh cells, which supports up to 65W fast charging. This ensures that gamers can play for extended periods without worrying about battery life and recharge quickly when needed. The display on the ROG Phone 8 is a standout feature. It boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a 165Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time, offering buttery-smooth visuals and minimal lag. The display supports HDR10+ and has a peak brightness of 1,200 nits, making it perfect for gaming in various lighting conditions. Additionally, the phone includes an under-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. ASUS has also upgraded the cooling system in the ROG Phone 8. The new GameCool 7 cooling system features an expanded vapor chamber and graphite sheets, along with an external Aeroactive Cooler 8 that clips onto the phone to further reduce temperatures during intense gaming sessions. This cooling system ensures sustained performance without thermal throttling. The audio experience on the ROG Phone 8 is equally impressive, featuring dual front-facing speakers with Dirac HD sound for immersive audio. The device also retains the 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature that many gamers still appreciate. In terms of connectivity, the ROG Phone 8 supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and 5G, ensuring fast and reliable connections whether you're gaming online or streaming content. The camera setup, while not the primary focus of the ROG Phone 8, is still robust, featuring a triple camera system with a 64MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens. This setup allows for versatile photography and videography, though the primary appeal remains its gaming prowess. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Phone 8 is a powerhouse designed for serious gamers. With its top-tier specs, advanced cooling system, and gaming-centric features, it offers a premium gaming experience that few other smartphones can match.